We will rename some nodes. And let's select the line huge terrain first. New subnetwork. Create some space here. Initial height field. And there we will copy manually this, for now, this dimensions. First, we'll decrease the resolution to 10 meters. Height field noise. Mask. Change the mask. Noise type. We'll choose this one. And now we can find some areas what will represent our playable area. So we can decrease the element size so we can see more of them, like this one or this one. We can also offset the noise. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Remove some unwanted areas we don't need to have on our map. Okay. Noise. 100. Element size 300. Center. So it will be our borders. So there cannot escape our playable area. We change a little bit offsets so the borders are high. Okay, let's blur the mask. Let's blur. Let's say 200. So it's our blank area. We will create this outer border separately and this inside area separately. We can maybe offset the noise a little bit. Like that. Okay, so let's jump upside, run pipeline and select one of our tile. And now input here and output here. So our it's our outside terrain. Let's rename it like border area and create digital asset border area terrain. Yes, great. Apply. Accept. Okay, we need to change terrain tiles. If you look inside, we have two outputs. So we need to change this digital asset according to maximum outputs to apply. Accept. So it corresponds to that we have the two outputs. Save node type. So we have now terrain prepare. We have terrain tiles, and now we will have our border area. It's like that. Save node type, terrain pipeline, HDA processor. So, cook type services or HDA services. File inputs, upstream output file. It's correct. For geo, we created processor terrain tag, so it can be filtered asset outputs on. Again, we will keep the same PDG index without zeros, and we will name order area. Cook. So we can now see that the terrain is generated. Inside order area, and we'll declare the mask tool. Playable area. Mask. Clear mask. Apply. Save node type. Frame pipeline. It is not. If it's upon, it's. I think it's the bug in Houdini 20 that don't recognize. It should recognize these files. Uh, so because if we can check the work item, it has this path, this file, so it should check the disk and find, but it doesn't seem it's not working. So we can go in project or geo folder, and we can delete this part area manually. Now it's working. Perfect.